all want to understand who we are and where we come from, but sometimes we want to know the answers so badly that we believe just about anything.
Huh? What?
I'm not the reincarnation of L. Ron Hubbard, and Scientology is just a big fat global scam.
Oh, we are gonna sue you!
What?
Yeah, you think you can say our religion is a lie? We'll sue you, buddy!
You told me it was a lie.
Oh, now you're putting words in my mouth! You are so sued! You can't make fun of Scientology, kid! We are gonna sue your ass and your balls! Yeah! How dare you mock our faith, you little punk! You'll be hearing from our lawyers tomorrow! We've just had an incredible development here, Mitch. Tom Cruise, John Travolta, and R. Kelly have all come out of the closet! So you're not the prophet, huh? You made me look stupid. I'm gonna sue you too.
Well, fine. Go ahead and sue me.
I will. I'll sue you in England. You are so sued, kid.
Well, go on then. Sue me.
We're going to.
Okay, good. Do it. I'm not scared of you. Sue me.
Win a $50 gas card. Watch San Diego.